Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, we got a lot to cover today. I want to remind y'all to please check out my new book. It's in the links below. Also, please subscribe to my new channel. I'm just about to the point on the channel that I'm about to get to my 1,000 subscribers. But I'm a long way from the watch hours. I need 4,000 watch hours, and I think I've got about 35 watch hours. So I've got a long way to go. I need people to go over there and watch those videos. Okay, y'all. Florida is now set to pass out the $300 unemployment boost. So that's good for the people that needs it. The Senate has now returned to work after their long vacation. Hopefully, they will get something done this time. The Mooch Man has said they will vote on the skinny bill by Thursday. But they're still working with Nancy Pelosi on the larger bill. Y'all, from what I've seen of this skinny bill, it's not skinny, it's anorexic. It's not looking good. But everyone said that it was going to be that way. And now it's a starting point that they can throw other things into it, like a stimulus check maybe, or maybe more unemployment boost or something like that. It's just a starting point. There is no way in the world it will pass the House as small as it is. The House and Nancy Pelosi wants to act like they care so much about fighting for the American people. But in the meantime, President Trump has a $3 billion bank account that's just sitting there. He wants to send it out for stimulus checks. Y'all, that's $50 billion more than the first $1,200 check we got. All Nancy has to do is say send it. But she won't do it. She's holding firm on what she wants. I just cannot understand why people defend her. Now, y'all, this is not pick on Nancy Day. I'm going to pick on the Mooch Man and the Republicans also. The Senate just came back from their break, but on October the 9th, yes, they're gone again for another whopping 30 days. Y'all, I work at home. I don't have a regular job. I do all my work right here on the internet. I wish I could take that much time off. I wish I could take half the time they can off. I can't do that. Nancy Pelosi has been headstrong against piecemeal packages. But wasn't it her that put up the biggest fight of all just to give the post office stimulus? And all the while not giving the American people a penny? Something to think about. I say let's do the skinny bill now. Even though it's small, remember it's a starting point. Do the skinny bill now. That's stuff that we can agree on. And add in the stimulus checks from President Trump. Let's get it passed without Nancy Pelosi. And then in 30 days, let's do another bill. Let's do what we can now. President Trump needs to tell the Mooch Man, yes, we will pass the skinny bill, but only if you put this $300 billion in for stimulus checks. That's the only way they should pass that skinny bill. I know this won't be popular with a lot of people, but I see that Nancy Pelosi does not want to help the American people as much as she acts like she does. If she did, Something would be agreeable by now, but she's holding out to get her way. Yes, I know the Senate has dragged their feet for a long time also. Nancy is not the only one holding up progress. They're all to blame. Remember November 3rd. We need to give them the shaft like they have given it to us for so long. Y'all, someone told me that we need to impeach Pelosi and Schumer. While I agree totally with that, but we also need to impeach Mooch McConnell and the whole bunch of them. If they're in office now, they need to go. And I would like to see Mooch McConnell and Nancy Pelosi both go before the elections. I got a lot of letters from y'all to add to my letters that I'm sending to Pelosi and to the Mooch man and to the president. I'm sending my letter tomorrow. Some people says that it's not going to do any good to send these letters. We can't just sit on our hands. The Senate has done that long enough. We have to do something. We have to try. Y'all, please check out my new book. It's selling like crazy, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. Also, subscribe to my new channel. It's all about how to make money on the internet. I've done it for it's over 11 years, almost 12 years now. I have made money solely on the internet. I don't punch anybody's clock, and I never will again. I would like for y'all to be able to say the same thing. Y'all, Amy told me to tell every one of you hello, and she still thanks you for all your prayers. Y'all have been wonderful. Everybody is still asking about Amy, and I'm sharing all of these comments, whether she sees them. And she will get on here soon and say a few words to y'all. She's enjoying retirement. I can't keep up with her. She wants to go to California, to Ontario, California for Christmas, spend Christmas with her sister. I'm going to make that happen. And then she wants to go to Hawaii. Well, when I was a kid, my dream was to go to Hawaii. I grew out of it, but I would still like to go. So next year, I'm going to make that happen for her somehow. Y'all, please check out the Food for Kids program. It's not food stamps. A lot of people's worrying that it's food stamps. It is not. It's the summer meals program that they've always had during the summertime. They've just now extended it until the first of the year. This is from the USDA, and it's not food stamps. You call the number, and they'll just tell you where to go in your area to pick up the food. That's all it is to it. Y'all, if you need the help, go get it. Remember, your tax money is paying for all this. And there's a lot of people out there that needs the help and not getting it. And there's a lot of people out there that don't need the help, but they are getting it. So if you need it, go get it. There's no shame in it. Y'all, I said yesterday, the rent assistance. Right now there is no rental assistance. But I said, just top of my head, to call your local churches. They may be able to help. Also call your local Salvation Army. They may be able to help. Well, somebody told me that if you dial 211, or is it, 211, that's an information line. They can help point you in the right direction. Hazard pay, right now there is no hazard pay. They're having a hard enough time getting their act together to pay the people that lost their job and lost everything. So I don't think the people that was working all that time, getting paid. I don't think they are Congress's biggest priority right now, sadly to say. I appreciate the people that put their lives on the line and went and worked during the pandemic when it was so bad. Y'all, the stimulus checks, if we get one, and it looks like we will get one, but it's not set in stone, yes, people on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and railroad retirement will get it. Basically, if you got it the first time, you will get it this time. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of people in the comments saying that they didn't get it the first time. I'm sorry, I do not know what to tell you. Just keep your ears open and ask questions. That's the best I can give. I know that's not the answer you want. I wished I could tell you more. I just don't know. Y'all, please check out my new channel. Check out my book. That book will help you. The best stimulus in the world is your own business, your own online business. If you open your own online business, you won't need a stimulus check. I promise you that. So be sure and check out those books. And if you can't get the books, at least go over and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be talking all about that kind of stuff. And you will learn from that channel. Y'all, I love you all. I'm not sure if I'll make another video today or not. It all depends on what happens. If something breaks and I think you need to know, I will make a video. Just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel and check out the videos that's popping up here now. I love you all. Ciao.